Did you see these numbers? The top altcoin this week pumped over 46%. Let's dive into the altcoins of the week, where I break down the three hottest performers in crypto right now. First up, Synthetix, ticker SNX, price $1.42. This bad boy rocketed up 46.43% in just 7 days. Yeah, you heard that right. Synthetix is all about bringing synthetic assets to the blockchain, letting you trade things like stocks, fiat currencies, and even commodities without ever leaving the crypto world. Its unique protocol lets users mint and trade these assets, giving you exposure to a bunch of markets from one platform. If you want to diversify in DeFi, SNX is definitely one to watch. Remember, this is not financial advice. Next, we got Bittensor, symbol TAO, sitting at $459.08, up 43.35% this week. Bittensor is changing the game by building a decentralized machine learning network. Imagine sharing and monetizing AI models on the blockchain and getting rewarded for contributing to the network. TAO's big draw is its open, permissionless system. Anyone can participate and earn. Super cool tech, super hot performance. But as always, this is not financial advice. Finally, Ethena, ENA, priced at $0.50 with a solid 36.52% gain. Ethena is making waves with its synthetic dollar, a stablecoin alternative that works without relying on traditional banks. It leverages derivatives and clever on-chain strategies to keep its value stable and transparent. ENA's unique approach is drawing in DeFi users who want stability but don't trust the old-school system. Again, this is not financial advice. So there you have it. The top three altcoins this week averaged a massive 42.10% gain. Wild moves, big opportunities. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.